phone, treat me like I'm see-through. 7 days a week.
What's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to get those coil twists with the brush. Alright? It's gonna be the trick. You see how good I got them right now? I'm gonna go ahead and do them again. You gotta do them a lot. You gotta do them. You gotta do them like twice. You gotta do them like twice. You gotta do them often, all day long. You know what I'm saying? You get right and right. And then you keep on using what I got, the magical. I like to call it magic. Olive hold, firm hold, spritz. Spray it. Spray it, stays. You're gonna see the journey and how long it takes to get it done. So stick with me. And if you like this, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. And we're gonna continue to show y'all the journey before how y'all see it now, until we get the actual dreadlocks that we're gonna start from just these twist rolls. These twist rolls, I'm sorry, with this. Y'all still bros, by the way, or girls. Whoever you're watching this, thanks for watching. So let's get right into the video.
Yeah, woohoo!
What's up? We here. We ready to do the twist coils and show you how we gonna get these dreads from the twist coils. It's gonna be hot, yo. It's gonna take a few months, so this gonna be over a time span, all of these videos. But for the first time, I'm gonna show you how I got it like this, looking good like this. So let's jump right into it. First thing you wanna do is have your comb or your pick, whichever one you prefer. You wanna have your twister, twist, like I said. And when you get ready, and you wanna have your spritz. See that there? That's the squad right there. That's what you need to hold it. Firm hold. Put that grip on it. First you're gonna do is come to this side. Undo it. Take it out. Alright. That's one side. Gonna go to the next side. Undo it. Take it out. That's two sides. We're gonna go to the top. But we ain't gonna go to the top. We're just gonna do the sides. Undo first. Then we're gonna get it cracking. We're gonna do it real quickly. Sometimes you wanna have some conditioner, but since mine is already conditioned today, I don't really need it. It'll still last. I might have to put some in there, but it's already some on the brush. You can see how quickly it come back right back. But you wanna do a little close to it. Get a little tight. You have to hit the grip. Take a while, y'all. I'm trying to do it quickly. I want to hit a grip. You see, I gotta get the conditioner to do it a little bit better. It's not gonna do it now, there's no conditioner. So, I'll be right back. You can use anything you want. I'm just gonna use Wave, Suave. And it doesn't really matter as long as you have like some type of thickness, wetness in your hair to get it right. Feel me? So put that wetness in there just to get it right. Nice and soft. You can put it on a sponge if you like. Just remain on the sponge. And then it's gonna go crazy. I'm just gonna go crazy until it takes it up. Back in. I can feel it. I'm just gonna go crazy, y'all. I'm gonna be quiet while I do this, so enjoy the music.
$100,000 cars when I ain't reached you. 24 hours, baby, 12 times. So 7 days a week, I'm on
I'm just gonna go crazy with it. When I get it down, I'm gonna come right back. First side. Alright, so we did this side, as y'all can see, and the results is looking pretty damn G. Now we're gonna do the next side. Well, let's go. Enjoy the music. With the next side, you want to do a circular motion. Alright? But you want to use this arm. Same thing. Same way you did this side with the circular motion. Then you want to use this one, but you want to use this arm. Circular motion. Go in the other opposite direction. Let's go. I'm going crazy right now. I'm just going crazy again. Well, we're back, and as y'all can see, this is really looking fleek. I mean, you see that side. You see that side. We ain't do the top over, but on me, it's looking pretty fleek. Now what you gotta do is do this here on Chi. Put sprit spray. Put your ass. On me. Sprit spray in there. Get hardening up. On Chi. It's looking pretty check. So that right there, don't forget, that's just day one of this video. Get you a wave cap, stocking cap. I prefer stocking cap. Don't use do-rags, because they just make it matted down and sweat it out. So use a wave cap only at night. And you gotta do this several times a day, every day, for a couple of months, and I'm gonna show you how to process. Alright, on Chi. If you like this, then hit that subscribe like I said, and we out.